everyone, Chenoa with the Morris Agency here, and today our video is going to be talking about 5 things that you could do as far as home renovations that will give you the most return on your investment as far as if you decide that you want to sell or refinance. So we will get started. Number 1 is garage door replacement. Curb appeal is king. When you have buyers driving down that street or down your street and there's multiple houses for sale, you want your house to stick out. So garage door is a great way. I mean, it's huge. It's half the front of your house. So you want that to look good. Number 2 is a minor kitchen renovation. You don't want to be shelling out thousands and thousands of dollars and not get that money back. So some things that you could do to your kitchen are replace the appliances, put in some new energy efficient appliances, put a fresh coat of paint on those cupboards, a new countertop, new hardware. These are things that make a huge difference when a buyer is coming through the house, and then they don't hurt your pocketbook so much. Number 3 is a deck. If you have the space in your backyard, put a deck out. People love to be outdoors. They love to drink their coffee in the morning outdoors. It's just a peaceful place for people. So that could be really good as far as getting your money back on that. Number 4 is vinyl siding. If your house, we're going back to curb appeal. If your house looks like it's in shambles on the outside, people don't want to invest in that. An appraiser is looking at that. So if you can spend the amount to put new siding on, I believe it will make a huge difference. And number 5 is back to curb appeal, a new front door. Front doors serve 2 purposes. They invite your friends, they invite your family, but also they keep the burglars out. So when a potential buyer comes through, this is what they're thinking: is my family going to be secure? So put that beautiful thick front door on, and I believe that you'll be super happy with the results. If you have any questions, you can call me. If you ever want me to take a look at your house and see if there's anything that you could be doing, I would love to meet with you. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks.